pretty nice condition. Super NES Super Set. The control deck, gamepad, 2 high-tech controllers. It's got a little Mario with Yoshi. Advertising the revolutionary Super Mario World. This box isn't completely mint. It's got a bunch of things here and there, but it's really nice for the most part of it. It says don't disconnect your NES. Included is everything to connect your NES. I don't know what that means. Unless if your NES, your TV only has one slot, it doesn't make any sense. Side of it. Looks just like the video games did. Mario Paint advertising. On the back. Bunch of games. Like usual. Current game list that was out at the time. Oh, this is here. Not sure. I don't think I did this. I can't fix that. Zelda thing. Legend continues with chart topping hit. Face giant monsters. It's got a giant Super Mario World feature thing here. It's pretty cool. A little picture of the same front of the box there. Bottom it's just Pete. And the sides are the same. Let's get it open. See what's in this thing. The shelf for a long time, a couple of years or something. I don't know. Just got some shit in the way. 1 second. Desk's full of crap. We're just gonna have to do this off camera. It's way too much. Or just slide it out like this. most boxes, I just throw this thing away. It's a nice thing. This little touch. There's this thing I actually bought myself after this and just added it together. It's a giant photo poster slash instruction book thing. But unfortunately, since it's Canada, I got the Canada one. I wish systems came with this stuff. Call centers and crap for you to. Unfortunately, oh yes. It's half French, so they compress everything and it doesn't look very nice as it should. This is a giant poster. Everything's compressed in there. They add two descriptions of every fucking thing. So you look ugly. Pain in the ass, but whatever. It's just gonna pull it out though. Oh my god, this is the same thing. I really want to open this tape together. Basically, it's the same sort of crap. All these are just official bags that it came with. I just didn't want to throw them out. There isn't actually a game and all that in here because I didn't actually buy this with output complete. Controllers pretty much. Now this controller, everything I put in here I got myself. I just pieced this set together. Like this console here is American actually, because there's no French on it. I bought all this separately. I don't even know if I did. I think I just did it from random places. Put it all together myself. Pretty mint console. that's USA because it will say right there. And our controller port right is slightly yellow.